In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily edit shortcuts on Snapchat. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Snapchat app. Then go into chats, and to show up your shortcuts you should just swipe down from the top of the screen, and that shows you that different shortcuts. The first three shortcuts is default Snapchat shortcuts. You can actually edit them, but then you can see two different shortcuts that I created before, and then to edit those shortcuts all you have to do is just hit at that plus sign, and then it will allow you to create new shortcut and also to edit the existing. So you can tap at any of existing shortcuts, and then in that simple way you can add or remove some persons from that shortcut. Once you have finished with that, don't forget to hit at save, and also if you want to remove that shortcut, just hit at that trash icon. That's how it's done. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Snapchat tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.